In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter cards in Trello. Filtering cards is one of the simplest ways to find exactly what you need on a busy Trello board. Whether you're scanning for a specific person's tasks, checking what's due soon, or isolating work by topic, a quick filter helps you cut through the noise and focus. Here's how to do it. First, look to the top right corner of your Trello board and click the Filter Cards option. If you prefer a faster route, press the F key on your keyboard. Either action opens the filtering controls so you can choose what to see. This step is quick and it doesn't change your board, it just narrows your view. Now select the criteria that makes sense for your current focus. Labels are great when you wanted to group work by themes or categories. If your team uses color-coded tags like bug, priority, or design, choosing one or more labels instantly shows only those cards. It's a simple way to see all related work in one place. Members help you filter by who's responsible. Select a person to pull up cards assigned to them. This is especially helpful in stand-ups or check-ins, where you're reviewing someone's workload or progress. If multiple people share a task, filtering by each member gives you a clear picture of collaborative work. Due dates let you concentrate on time-sensitive tasks. Choose the range that matches your planning window, perhaps what's due today, this week, or what's already overdue, so you can prioritize action items and keep deadlines on track. It's a practical way to ensure nothing slips through the cracks when timing matters. You can mix and match these criteria to get a more precise view. For example, filter by a label and a member to see only one person's tasks within a specific category, or pair a label with due dates to spotlight urgent items within a project area. As you adjust your selections, the board updates in real time so you can refine your focus until it's exactly right. A quick tip: pressing F becomes second nature once you've used it a few times, making it effortless to jump in, choose labels, members, or due dates, and get right back to work. And remember, filtering only hides cards that don't match your choices. It never deletes or moves anything. To get the most from filtering, use clear labels, assign members consistently, and give your cards realistic due dates. The clearer your data, the more powerful your filters become. That's all you need to filter cards in Trello. Click Filter Cards or press F, then select Labels, Members, or Due Dates to focus your view and stay productive.